All right, so right off the bat, the first thing you need to know is that this is another way for you as a content creator to make more money. Now, besides that, what are the requirements? The requirements are you gotta be monetized. You need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within a 12-month span. Now, on top of that, you also gotta be within certain locations. So let me go ahead and show you those. These are all the locations right here. So if you gotta pause the video, go ahead and pause the video. Make sure you're good to go, and we're gonna keep rolling, all right? Now we're gonna go into the studio, and then over here on the left side, I want you to scroll down to where it say monetization. Then I want you to click up here to where it say supers, and then right here you're gonna have three things you need to turn on. The first one is called super chat. The second one is called super stickers. These two right here apply to live streams. So if you've ever been on the live stream and then all of a sudden you hear somebody say, oh, somebody just gave me a super chat, or somebody just did a super sticker, those apply to live streams. Now the other one, which is this new one, which is super thanks, that applies to videos, right? Just so you can see what it looked like, if we go over here to my video and I scroll down, you can see right here, there's the thanks button right there, right? So anybody that watches any of my videos, because obviously you can see I have it turned on all of my stuff, they can literally come over here, hit thanks, and then this right here is gonna pop up for them. And then you can see it gives $2, they can give $5, they can give $10 and $50, right? So that's the basis of what it goes up to, right? Now, besides that, they can also come in here and be like, thanks so much for this video. Thanks so much for the content. I really enjoyed it, or whatever it is that they put, right? Which is pretty cool, because now that comment is gonna stand out more than anybody else's comments on the video, and then you can go show, you know, appreciation to that person for actually supporting you, right? Now, besides that, all you gotta do is you gotta hit buy and send, and when you do this, obviously I'm not gonna do it for myself, but if you decide to do it to somebody else, this is how you do it. And then as far as showing your audience, like educating them about the process so they can actually know that they can do this, then all you gotta do is just show them this is the process, and then they'll be able to do this for you. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn my favorite way to make money on YouTube, I want you to watch this video right here, because it's going to show you exactly how it's done. See you over there.